If you are between 9 to 12 weeks pregnant, this is a very important stage of your pregnancy. Let me explain what is happening and what you should expect. With 9 to 12 gestation is the end of the 4th trimester. The embryo becomes the fetus, growing from the size of a grapefruit to the size of a plum. At this time, the major organs are developed: the brain, the kidney, the liver, the intestine, and the liver now produces bile. Facial features becomes more distinct. The limbs, the toe, the arms, and their nails. The eyelids that covers the eyes, though it still remains closed. Then the earlobes, they are developed. The sex organs begins to develop, though it cannot be visible on ultrasound at this time until later. Then the cartilage begins to turn to bone. The heart is beating, and the fetus can move, kick, and open its mouth and the feast. The fetus begins to swallow the amniotic fluid and can produce urine. At 12 weeks, the high risk of early miscarriage reduces significantly. And some women may notice that their nausea is improving. You will notice that your abdomen is shooting out because the uterus is growing. What to expect? Slight stretching sensations, mild cramps, increase in white and clear vaginal discharge, breast changes. Then when to see your doctor. Once there is heavy bleeding, persistent vomiting, fever, and severe lower abdominal pain, please see your healthcare provider. You are still watching my video and you have not subscribed, please subscribe. If you have not started antenatal care yet, please, this is the right time to go and register for antenatal clinic. I have dropped on my channel a video titled 8 antenatal visits every pregnant woman should know. I'll be dropping pregnancy series week by week on this channel every week.